Kathy's law was signed by Governor Brown on Monday, and this law is going to go a long way at protecting victims, and we believe that with the implementation of this law beginning next year, many lives will be saved. We just got tired of reading of needless homicides throughout San Diego County. We just had so many incidents taking place. We wanted to do something to protect those victims. We thought that something could be done. AB 2467 will authorize a judge to order the placement of an electronic device or a monitoring device on an attacker in a domestic violence case in conjunction with the issuance of a restraining order. A restraining order is not a real protection. It's a piece of paper with writing on it, whereas a monitoring device is going to put protection into tangible form, where victims will be notified that their stalker is within their proximity.
In Kathy's case, we saw what happened in November of 2011. Even though she had a restraining order, thought that was enough to hopefully keep the offender from her. We find out that more than 50% of the cases where you have a court order or a restraining order to keep offenders away from victims, we find out that they're violated. The work that the family has done with Assemblymember Ben Hueso, again, will save lives. It adds a layer of protection beyond the paperwork, the court order, the temporary restraining order, some actual protection to alert the victim that they may be in danger again. We truly appreciate the leadership by Assemblymember Ben Hueso and working closely with law enforcement, and through his efforts, we do have a safer community. We
just never gave up on this bill, and thanks to Kathy Scharbath's mother, Jeannie Scharbarth, who came out and helped us get support for this bill. This bill is law today in California.
With Kathy's inspiration, Assemblymember Ben Hueso's foresight, and Governor Brown's wisdom, restraining orders can now provide tangible protection for victims of domestic violence. Thank you to everyone who supported Kathy's law. Our family has been comforted by your support of this important bill. You made a difference for those who fear for their lives.
This bill will keep the memory of Kathy Scharbath, who was brutally murdered here in San Diego County for many more years. It'll keep her memory alive and also go a long way at protecting victims in the future.
I would like to thank everyone for their support of Kathy's law. It has meant a lot to me to see and hear about so many people who cared about the bill. And a special thank you to Governor Brown, who is understanding of the fear of domestic violence.
Governor Brown said that he personally read Madison's letter and the letter from Kathy's parents and the siblings, and was really moved by them. And that was really the difference. So thank you for having the courage to do that. And he told me to tell you, he said, I really read the letter. So I was moved by that too. And thanks to that, he signed the bill. This is the pin that he signed the bill with, and we were able to put the date of the signature and the name of the new law. So I want to present that to you. Thank you
so much. It means so much. That he signed it with this pen, it means the world to me, and just that they gave it to me. I don't know if other people get it, but I feel super special that I have it, and it's going to be with me forever, and I'm never letting this pen out of my sight.
Offering the pin to Madison, the pin that the governor used to sign the bill, was a very small gesture, but it was intended to thank her for her involvement and for her courage, and a remembrance that she was instrumental in saving the lives of many, many Californians well into the future.